this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Battlefield 6 on a PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Battlefield 6 is close to being officially released, so during the time that I'm recording this video, it is not out officially, but it is going to be out very soon, and it is available for all next-gen consoles, including PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X, and so on. In order to get the game for your PlayStation 5, you simply have to go over to the PlayStation Store. I'm going to be teaching you how to do this through the website, but you can absolutely follow along through the PlayStation Store directly on your console. Go to the PlayStation Store and look for Battlefield 6. When you look for Battlefield 6 or only Battlefield, you will be able to find the game available here. So this game is only available on next-gen consoles. It is not available for PlayStation 4, exclusive to the PlayStation 5, and you can pre-order it here. It is going for $99.99, and you can save 10% if you have an EA Play subscription active. PS Pro Enhanced, you will need a PlayStation Plus subscription for online play, supports up to 64 online players in each server. You will have in-game purchases, and you can choose between the Standard Edition or the Phantom Edition. So, just a quick correction, the Phantom Edition seems to be going for $99.99. The base game is $69.99. This will include the game and the pre-order bonus if you purchase it before it officially releases. The Phantom Edition will have some extra goodies, so Battlefield Pro Token, Phantom Pack, Phantom XP Boost set, and it also includes the pre-order bonus. You can browse through screenshots, and once you have the game purchased, you will be able to play it officially on release day. You can do multiplayer campaign or explore the Battlefield portal and see what it has to offer. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.